Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a UX UI designer from Komodo Digital, and today I'm going to be talking about the things we should consider when designing for difficult experiences and how to create a better experience for your users, which will not only increase revenue, but it will drive better NPS scores, better user advocacy, and increase how often you successfully convert. Difficult experiences in product design refer to the challenges and obstacles that users may encounter when interacting with a product. For instance, in healthcare, a difficult experience could involve a complicated user interface in a medical device, making it hard for healthcare professionals to efficiently access critical patient data. Similarly, users with accessibility issues could face difficulties when products lack features like screen readers or voice commands, which are crucial for those with visual or motor impairments. In the context of physical and mental health, a product should avoid causing additional stress or anxiety to users. For example, an overly intrusive mental health app can exacerbate feelings of overwhelm rather than provide effective support. Let's take a look at some of the criteria for creating a successful product in difficult situations. A compassionate approach is a fundamental approach in user-centered design. Designers have to put themselves in the user's shoes to understand the challenging circumstances their users might face, seeking to comprehend their struggles and frustrations. By empathizing with these difficult experiences, designers can gain valuable insights for the development of compassionate and effective solutions. For example, how could we simplify the repeat prescription service for a chronically ill patient? Some of the common issues are prescription availability and communication between GPs, pharmacies, and patients. It can be a challenging experience for users and adds unnecessary stress to them. This approach requires active listening, deep empathy, and a non-judgmental attitude, fostering a creative problem-solving process that ultimately leads to solutions that resonate with users. When designers organize information in a clear and logical way, it can greatly help users facing difficult experiences. A well-structured design ensures that users can find what they need easily, reducing confusion and stress. It's like creating a roadmap that guides users through their journey, making tasks simpler. For example, how can we improve the process of online diagnosis, from users inputting their symptoms to receiving the result? A clear information structure can reduce mistakes, allowing users to enter the details accurately, therefore receiving a more accurate diagnosis. This also helps reduce the cost of human support from a business perspective. Essentially, a good information structure is a key factor in making difficult situations a bit more manageable for your users. Reducing cognitive load and avoiding overstimulation is crucial, especially for users who are already experiencing difficulties. Simplified interfaces, limited distractions, and organized information can make a world of difference, as cognitive overload and excessive stimulation can lead to frustration and decreased usability. Prioritizing a user's well-being in the digital experience is not only empathetic, but also enhances inclusivity and ensures technology works for everyone, no matter the circumstances. So why investing in UX is crucial when designing for difficult experiences? And what value does it bring to the users, product, and the company? Being empathetic, having a well-structured information architecture, and reducing excessive cognitive load are key when creating designs for challenging scenarios, as it enhances user satisfaction, fosters loyalty, and keeps the product competitive, resulting in higher adoption rates and positive feedback. From a company's perspective, this investment reduces customer support costs, lowers abandonment rates, and ultimately boost revenue and brand reputation. The If you would like to know more about designing for difficult experiences, download Komodo's white paper on the subject or get in touch. Remember to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.